their goal just as the first period ended.
The Buffalo turnover. Ron Voracek walking right in. Left wing passing. Talbot scores. Talbot gets Ryan Miller down in a face plant, and Talbot fires it by for his first goal in 9 games.
And just before that, the Sabres had scored 2 quickies. The first goal of the game came off the stick of former Flyer Billy Leno. Buffalo 3, the Flyers 1 in the second period. Also in the second, Ottawa 2, Washington 1. Moving on to college basketball in the second half, Temple 74, Toledo 52. Also in the second half, leading Towson 83-49. All these games are in the second half. St. Joe's 66, Boston U 57, Penn in front of Delaware 55-44. Elsewhere, second half, Lafayette 53. Penn State 49, third-ranked Duke leading Colorado State 78-55, Louisville 72, IUPUI 51. Number 9, Wisconsin leading Green Bay in the first half 31-17, second half 10th-ranked Florida 57, and they trail Arizona 59-57. The Big East has introduced Boise State, San Diego State, Houston SMU, and Central Florida as new members effective 2013. Big East Commissioner John Marinotto.
The creation of the Western Division in the sport of football is yet another example of probably the boldest of all of its moves. It creates for us truly the first national conference in the history of the NCAA, spanning from coast to coast.
And Connecticut basketball coach Jim Calhoun says he wants Temple in the Big East. The Dolphins are up next to the Eagles, who are getting ready for that weekend trip to Miami. Here's KYW's Tom.
Among the Eagles on the practice field Wednesday was cornerback Dominic Rodgers-Cromartie, who has been sidelined with a high ankle sprain, and Andy Reid says the quarterback is making progress.
The high ankle sprains are a little tricky, so we just got to see how it works out. He went through the workout on Monday, and we'll see how he does today.
Reid is more confident about Michael Vick's return, adding that barring a setback, his number 1 quarterback will start against the Dolphins on Sunday. With the Eagles, I'm Tom Maloney, KYW News Radio.
Jeff Garcia signed with the Houston Texans and will be their number 3 quarterback behind rookie T.J. Yates and Jake Stallone. That's sports. I'm Ron Corbin, KYW News Radio.
Up next on KYW, a new dinosaur exhibit opens to the public.
Not even Jurassic Park, you get a sense of how big they were.
At the Franklin Institute.
Looks like